Hello. I have the opportunity to do my foundation year practicum at DMEI Institute, and it's a practicum site with a lot of different opportunities for practicum students. I think it's a great opportunity for anyone that is considering a social work position in the future that might pertain to healthcare. I have the opportunity to do a lot of coordination within our own clinic and other clinics to coordinate care for patients, as well as understanding the needs of our patients. Dean McGee Eye Institute is new to having a social work practicum student, and because of that, there are a lot of opportunities to build upon current and developing resources for patients and increase overall patient outcomes for the better. So there's a lot of opportunities for on a case management side, coordinating within our own clinic with offsite clinics for patients, as well as conducting research to better understand the needs of our clients in general. The working environment is 100% in person. We're located on the OUHSC campus right off of Stanton L. Young Boulevard, and so be prepared to travel to Oklahoma City for the practicum, but it is in a very good location, and parking is never an issue, as well as accessibility to the highway. It's a great location for practicum. We do have, as practicum students, our own learning space, as well as working space at Dean McGee Eye Institute, where we're able to interact with patients on a less confidential aspect of their care, as well as we have the opportunity to go into rooms with patients independently and work with any of the patients about things that might be more private concerns, questions, or anything about their care at Dean McGee. Students will be able to learn a lot at Dean McGee Eye Institute. It's an environment where you're working with a wide and multidisciplinary staff, all the way from medical assistants to well-seasoned physicians. And because of this, there's a lot of opportunity for understanding healthcare in general and the processes that healthcare governs over different individuals and different patients. Another great thing is we have the opportunity to develop a lot of resources for our clients. That's something I've had the opportunity to do, and Dean McGee is very receptive to having new practices come in related to social work that might be able to increase patient outcomes, increase overall patient care. So that's another big thing to learn. And then general case management in a healthcare setting, there's a lot of case management that I'm able to do, and that you'll be able to do as well. You have the opportunity to follow up with clients, talk to new clients, assess any needs they have. And anytime that we have the opportunity to assess the needs of a current or onboarded client, we're also able to understand where the needs lie within the clinic. So it's a great opportunity to be able to flesh out our resources overall. The rewards within the practicum setting are great. There are a lot of opportunities to be able to make a real difference in the lives of our patients, make sure that they have great ophthalmological care, which is such a primary tenet of each and all of our lives through our vision. So it's very rewarding being able to speak to patients day in and day out and improve their overall health outcomes related to their eye care. There are a lot of challenges at Dean McGee that are things that you can overcome and that are very good learning opportunities. So one of the main things is working with that multidisciplinary team. Because it's a new position at Dean McGee, having a practicum student for social work, and you're working in a fast-paced clinic environment, sometimes you really have to be a self-starter to get in and make sure that you're actually seeing patients, better serving patients overall. So that's a challenge, is getting in there, getting your foot in the door, and understanding how you can best serve the patients. But once you get into that groove, things are going to be great. That's where I'm at now, and everything is a-okay in regards to that. Students also are able to work Monday through Friday. The clinic is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So any of those times are open. The clinic is closed on the weekends, and they observe federal holidays. The dress code is business professional is what you could wear, or business casual. On Fridays, I have the opportunity as well to wear scrubs because it's a clinical setting, so that's a fun little perk. That's very nice. You are expected to wear a face mask to prevent the spread of COVID-19, and that's a good practice for any potential pathogens that might be out there as well. The communication, you'll be communicating through a Dean McGee email with the preceptor, your field instructor, and other people within the site. It's a great opportunity to work with that multidisciplinary team and make sure all the needs across the clinic are being addressed. Overall, working at Dean McGee is a great opportunity and one that's going to be very fulfilling and teaching. Thank you.